Thokozani ugogo nomkhulu, salwa sendoda lesugogo bathini bathu mavula kuvala emzini amadoda. U-Auntie Usha, I would like to officially announce the dates for 2025-2026 financial breakthrough, whereby we'll be saying our prayers, communicating with our ancestors with the candles yellow and blue for 7 days, praying to our ancestors for financial breakthrough for 2025-2026. The dates are from midnight to the 22nd of November until midnight, the 28th of November 2025, whereby we'll be praying for the financial breakthrough to our ancestors. So each day we are going to have a poster, we are going to have a video that will give us a guidance on what is it that we are praying for, or the subject that we are praying for within the subject of, within the main subject of financial breakthrough, which is going to be published every day for that 7 days. Please, 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 please pay attention to this. This is very important. You need to do a proper spiritual fasting. You need a spiritual fasting. You need a ukulinda. You need to make sure ukuthi you are ready spiritually and otherwise for financial breakthrough prayer. It's very, 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 very important. You've been waiting for these dates. I've been waiting also to be financially and spiritually ready for me to travel back home, and to be spiritually ready to make sure ukuthi when I go with you through this process of a prayer, nami personally, I'm okay spiritually. I waited for this long so that I'm okay. You'll remember, while I was still waiting, I had the issue of my mother passing on. So I had to wait for myself for that to be okay spiritually. Now I'm okay. Now I'm ready to lead you into this financial breakthrough prayer. Let's just work together on this. It has produced so many good news to so many many people. It can also do the same to you. Please, let's pay attention. Please, let's make sure that we look forward for the posters, and let's share as much as we can. Salwa Sendot, Thokozani.